Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Dermalogica's Ultracalming Cleanser. Your Ultracalming Cleanser is an extremely gentle facial cleanser for the face and the eyes. It has been dermatologist tested as being perfect for even the most sensitive conditions. Ultracalming Cleanser contains cooling and calming properties such as lavender, cucumber and raspberry fruit extract, as well as panthenol for hydration. All this will help combat skin sensitivity caused by pollution, harsh climates and irritating cosmetic products. It's suitable for sensitized and reactive skins. To use, you would apply to dry or damp face and neck with light upward strokes and closed eyes with gentle circular movements. You would then rinse thoroughly with warm water or damp sponges. Now the Ultracalming Cleanser works great with lots of things like your redness relief essence, your calm water gel or your barrier repair. Also the Ultracalming Cleanser is gentle enough to remove your eye makeup. So if you would like to purchase the Ultracalming Cleanser or any of the range in the calming line, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below.